Right, hello YouTube. I thought I'd actually quickly do a video on my latest purchase. So this is a Ransomes Motor Garden Cultivator 5, or MG5 as they're more commonly known. The MG series of crawlers actually consist of 4 vehicles, so the MG2, MG5, MG6 and MG40. The MG2 was originally actually launched in about 1936 with about a 600cc 6 horsepower engine. In 1948 the MG2 was actually superseded by this model, the MG5. So this particular example has been fully restored in the past, with all the rubber joints in the tracks replaced. The engine's been completely refurbished as well, new carburetor, just overall fully restored. So the previous owner of this actually had the magneto fully rebuilt, but as we found out yesterday, he'd actually put it on the about 180 degrees out of phase. So once we'd actually changed that around, we actually got some new fuel in it, and we actually got it started yesterday. So yeah, that was quite a success. The next actual variation, the MG6, was actually released in 1953. It was fitted with a 3-speed gearbox, I believe, and it actually could be specified with a 2-stroke diesel engine. As you can see with this model, it's just a single speed in forwards and reverse. The last of the crawlers was the MG40 model, which was actually released in about 1960. These were sort of the most successful ones, with around about 15,000 being produced. This model here, actually only about 5,000 were made, and I believe the original 1936 version only had around 2,000 made in the years of production for that. So my personal plans are to actually attempt and get one of each of them for my collection. There were also various special editions as well. So there was an ITW model, which was the industrial tractor wheeled, which actually came with wheels instead of the tracks, as can be seen in this picture. So I believe there was also a dumper truck model which was made. The actual seat was facing the opposite direction, and where the seat is now on this one would have been the actual dumpy bit. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll just actually quickly show you a video of sort of the first attempts of starting it. Don't go that way, Boris. More promising, so yeah. Oops, a little bit now.